So tonight we will do homemade pizza. So the first step, we will mix the tomato sauce, sugar, and the finely chopped onion. Mix, mix, mix. Then put a pinch of ground black pepper and pinch of salt. Mix again to ensure the sugar and salt are dissolved properly. So we have here our crust ready. So we can now put our sauce. I put 4 tablespoons of sauce and distributed it evenly to the whole part of the crust. Refrain from putting too much sauce. So it's now ready. We can put our toppings one at a time. So the first toppings we'll be putting is the shredded cheese. I just use a regular cheese, but if you have mozzarella or quick melt cheese, you can use that. I put around 30 grams of shredded cheese and 20 to 30 grams of pineapple tidbits. And lastly, our ham. Bago kami nag-start, we are already preheating the oven at 220 degrees Celsius. So, by now, eksakto, pag natapos namin ilagay itong toppings, okay na siya. Diretso salang na yung ating pizza. So, isasalang natin to for 10 to 15 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. So, here is our final product. As you can see from below, yan. Dark brown na siya. Brown na ang color ng ilalim. So, luto na ito. So, we will now do a taste test. So, here it is. Sarap, crunchy.
Tingnan ko.
It's so crunchy. So nice.
Naroon nito siguro. But, isa yata na-slice mo.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button.